Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the green heart of our planet, and one of the greatest natural wonders on Earth. This vast forest stretches across several countries in South America and feels like a living world of its own. Thick trees, deep rivers, and endless greenery create a powerful and magical atmosphere. The Amazon is not just a place. It is a living system that breathes life into the earth and supports countless forms of life. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It covers millions of square kilometers and holds some of the oldest trees known to humanity. This forest plays a vital role in controlling the global climate by absorbing carbon and releasing oxygen. It helps regulate rainfall patterns not only in South America, but across the world. Thousands of rivers flow through the Amazon, with the Amazon River being the strongest and most famous. These rivers act like natural highways, connecting forests, animals, and human communities. During the rainy season, rivers overflow and enrich the soil, helping plants grow and wildlife survive. Water shapes the rhythm of rainforest life. The Amazon is known for its unmatched biodiversity. Millions of plant species grow here, many of which are used in traditional and modern medicine. Tall trees form a thick roof above, while smaller plants grow below in the shade. This layered structure creates a complex and balanced ecosystem. Animal life in the Amazon rainforest is rich and colorful. Jaguars move silently through the forest. Monkeys swing between branches, and frogs hide among wet leaves. Bright birds, insects, and butterflies fill the air with sound and movement. Many of these species exist nowhere else on Earth. The rainforest is also home to many indigenous tribes who have lived here for thousands of years. These communities depend on the forest for food, shelter, medicine, and cultural identity. They understand nature deeply and live in balance with their surroundings, protecting the forest through their traditions. Rain is a constant presence in the Amazon. Frequent rainfall keeps the forest green and alive throughout the year. Morning mist rises from the trees, creating a mysterious and calming view. The sound of rain, birds, and flowing rivers forms a natural harmony. The Amazon rainforest is powerful, but it is also fragile. Deforestation, mining, and climate change threaten this natural treasure. When forests are destroyed, wildlife suffers, and global climate balance is affected. Protecting the Amazon is a shared responsibility for all humanity. Walking through the Amazon feels like entering another world. The air is warm and humid, filled with the scent of soil, leaves, and rain. Every step reveals hidden life, from tiny insects to towering trees. The forest feels alive, watching and breathing around you. Beyond its natural beauty, the Amazon rainforest also inspires science, exploration, and deep human curiosity. Researchers from around the world come here to study plants, animals, and climate systems that cannot be found anywhere else. Many future medicines and discoveries may come from this forest. The Amazon reminds us how much we still have to learn from nature, and why protecting it is not a choice, but a responsibility for the survival of our planet. In the end, the nature of the Amazon rainforest teaches us respect, responsibility, and harmony with nature. It is more than a forest. It is a life support system for the planet. Protecting the Amazon means protecting biodiversity, climate balance, and the future of life on Earth.